Have you ever just stared at a spreadsheet with thousands of rows of messy data and wished it could just clean itself up? Well, today we're looking at a tool that does exactly that. It gives your spreadsheet a superpower, turning it from a simple calculator into a creative, problem-solving partner. I mean, really think about that for a second. What if your spreadsheet could think? You've got a list of 1,000 customer reviews or a giant product catalog. Instead of you spending hours or even days manually cleaning, translating, or analyzing all that data, what if your spreadsheet could just understand what you need and do it all for you?
For decades, we've had formulas like equals sum. You know it, you've used it. It crunches numbers, it's reliable, it's fast, and it understands math. But now, there's a new kid on the block. Equals GPT. Instead of adding numbers, this formula understands and analyzes human language. It's the difference between calculation and actual cognition, right there inside your spreadsheet cells.
So how do we get this new superpower? That's what we're going to dive into right now. We're going to break down what this tool is and what it can really do.
Okay, first things first, let's be super clear about what GPT for Work is. This is not Microsoft Copilot or Google Gemini. Those are built right into the software. Instead, this is a type of third-party add-on, like the really popular one from a company called Talarian. Think of it as a bridge that connects your plain old spreadsheet directly to the massive brainpower of AI models like GPT.
So what does that actually let you do? The key word here is scale. Imagine you have a column with 5,000 customer reviews. Instead of you reading every single one, you can run one formula to instantly tell you if each review is positive, negative, or neutral. Or maybe you have a list of names in 100 different formats. You can standardize them all with a single command. It's all about taking those mind-numbing, repetitive tasks and just making them disappear.
Now, one of the most popular versions of this tool comes from that company I mentioned, Talarian, and they're based in Paris. And that's actually a really important detail. Why? Because being an EU company means they have to follow GDPR, which is one of the strictest data privacy laws on the planet. So right from the get-go, you've got this extra layer of assurance about how your data is being handled.
All right, theory is great, but let's get practical. How do you actually turn on this superpower? Well, it's surprisingly easy. We're going to walk through the 4 simple steps to writing your very first AI formula.
Here's the whole game plan. First, you install the add-on from the Google Workspace marketplace. Easy. Second, you get something called an API key from OpenAI. Just think of it like a password that lets your spreadsheet talk to the AI. Third, you write your formula. And fourth, you execute. That's it. It's that simple.
Let's look at a real formula. See this? Equals GPT, write a 5-word slogan for A1. It works just like a formula you already know and love. The first part is your instruction, your prompt. The second part, that A1, is just a reference to another cell. Maybe that cell has a product name in it, like red running shoes. And yes, this is the magic moment. After you've written that formula for the first row, you just grab that little blue square in the corner of the cell and you drag it down. And as you drag, the AI runs that same command for every single row in your list. 10, 100, even thousands of them. This is where you see the real mind-blowing power of bulk processing.
This all sounds pretty amazing, right? But like with any superpower, you've got to understand where the energy comes from. And in this case, that means we need to talk about the cost. And while it's not quite as simple as just a flat monthly fee.
The cost actually breaks down into 2 separate parts. First up is the software cost. That's a subscription you pay to the developer, like Talarian, for actually building and maintaining this handy tool. Then, second, you have the intelligence cost. This is what you pay directly to OpenAI for the AI's brain power, the actual processing of your requests. So, to break it down even more, you're looking at a predictable monthly subscription for the software, usually somewhere between $10 and $30. But that intelligence cost? That's pay as you go. You literally pay for what you use, which means your bill can change a lot depending on how much work you ask the AI to do. And this is where you really need to pay attention. Let's say you're using a powerful and therefore more expensive AI model like GPT-4o. If you accidentally drag that formula down 10,000 rows, you could easily rack up a $50 bill in just a few minutes. Now, that might sound scary, but think about the return on investment. How many hours of manual work would that have taken? That $50 might have just saved you an entire week of work. The key is just to be mindful of what you're doing. All this talk about power and cost brings us to our next critical topic: safety and security. Because with great power, you need a few ground rules. Let's talk about how to use this tool responsibly.
When you use a tool like this, you need to be aware of 4 main risks. First, just general data privacy.
Second, the very specific danger of sending personally identifiable information, or PII. Third, as we just talked about, those runaway costs. And fourth, the possibility of AI hallucinations, which is just when the model confidently makes something up.
To get the privacy risk, you have to understand the flow of your data. When you run a formula, the data from your cell leaves your spreadsheet, passes through the add-on servers, and then goes to OpenAI's servers to be processed. The result then comes all the way back. The important thing to know is that your data is leaving your computer.
But, and this is probably the single most important piece of info on security, OpenAI has an official policy for its API, which is the service these tools use. It says that your data is not used to train their models. This is a huge difference from their free public ChatGPT website, and it gives you a major layer of privacy protection.
Okay, here is the absolute best tip for managing both your costs and your data. Once the AI has spit out the results you need, copy that whole column and then use the paste as values function. This replaces the live formula with just plain static text, which freezes the results. This simple move stops the AI from running again by accident, which saves you from surprise bills.
So, after all that, we land on the final, big question. Is this tool actually right for you? It's incredibly powerful for sure, but it's not for everyone or for every single task. Let's figure out who this is really for.
This tool is a total game changer for a few specific roles. We're talking about SEO specialists who need to write meta descriptions at a huge scale, e-commerce managers generating thousands of product descriptions, and data analysts who have to clean up messy text from surveys. For them, the common tasks of cleaning, writing, and translating make this tool an absolute must-have. And the main warning, always, is to just keep an eye on those API costs.
Ultimately, a tool like this completely changes what a spreadsheet is. It's no longer just a grid for numbers. It's a canvas. It's a data cleaning machine. It's a language translator. It's a creative partner just waiting for your next command. So, the only question left is, what are you going to create first?